Hi there, students. To elapse. Okay, a verb. I guess elapsed as an adjective. Okay, if time elapses, it goes on, it continues, it goes past. So 4 years elapsed until he found a new job. Yeah. Several years have elapsed since I have visited the UK. Okay, so if time elapses, time goes past, time passes, time goes by. We use elapse to talk about time. So many years have elapsed since I have last seen my friend. Yeah, the time has gone by. This is talking about the passage of time or the termination of a period of time. So there's a race and you have the stopwatch, and the elapsed time so far in the race is 16 minutes and 20 seconds. Yeah, at the halfway point, the elapsed time was 22 minutes. Okay, so to elapse, time elapses, time goes by, time continues. Several weeks elapsed before I could restart the project, and this caused many delay. After many years had elapsed, had gone by. Okay, so that's the idea of this verb, to elapse, to go by. Time goes by, time elapses. Several days elapsed before I met this beautiful, mysterious woman again. Let's see, take this home and allow a month to elapse, and if you're not satisfied with it, bring it back. Okay, so an elapsed period of time. Yeah, time goes by. It's talking about the passage of time. I think particularly with a present perfect, this amount of time has elapsed up to now. Yeah, had got to this point. So, well, time is elapsing steadily. It's steadily going by. Okay, so yeah, he was arrested last night. So 24 hours or 12 hours have elapsed since he was arrested. Yeah, this is the amount of time that has slipped by. Okay, so to elapse. I'm thinking about formality. I think what am I going to give this in formality? I think probably a 5. I think maybe 5.5. It's a touch on the formal side. Maybe time goes by. 24 hours have gone by since I did it. Have elapsed. Maybe even a 6 in formality. But I think you could use to elapse anywhere. Yes. The sands of time are elapsing slowly. An egg timer, you turn it upside down, and when it's finished, then 4 minutes have elapsed. Okay, as to origin, well, firstly, we've got this word lapse, yeah, which is talking about to run out, to pass out. To finish, and then this itself comes from Latin elapsus, to slip away. Yeah, elapsum, to escape. Yeah, so yeah, time is escaping from us, and there's very little we can do to catch it back. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To elapse. So elapsed time of this video so far, 4 minutes 37 seconds.